Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel and teach you how to block all websites except one on Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar and here type for control panel. The moment you've typed it, please wait until a bus match would appear and once it's here, please click on the open option to continue. So from here, we need to change the view of our window by proceeding at the upper right side of that. You can see the view by. Click this down arrow icon and go with large icons. Once you have seen a computer settings like this, proceed on locating for internet options, which is in my case, it is being placed at the fourth row next to ease of access center. The moment you do it, you would be able to bring up the internet properties window. Please select on the connections and here in the connections, go with LAN settings. So under the LAN settings, you need to check this proxy server and type the following address for 127.0.0.1 and type the port 480. Once you're done, okay, you need to click on advanced. And from here at the advanced, you need to proceed to the exceptions. So here at the exceptions, you would be able to put a website that you would like to unblock with. Okay? Since the target of this video is to block all website except the website that will be added here. So let's say for example we would like to unblock or we would like to still access our YouTube. So let's type for youtube.com and type a semicolon here and put a space and type for youtube.com and here please put a space. Okay, semicolon first. And from here, please type the other website that you would like to access still. Let's say, for example, you want to access for the Google still, just type for it. Okay, google.com. Just click on the OK. Once you're good, go with OK again and click on OK. The moment you're done, just close the window. Proceed to the Google Chrome browser. So by that, navigate to the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please click on the open option to continue. And from here, try to navigate to the Windows search bar and type for Instagram. So hit the enter key to proceed. And now there's no internet for Instagram since we have blocked it. And if we will try to access for Pinterest, okay, and click on enter, okay, we will be able to access the still since it's being, it would work only for the LAN settings. Okay, so by that, please try to type for Google. Click on enter key and you would be able to access it since you have placed it under the exception. And if you would like to type for Facebook, click on enter, and there's no internet for Facebook. Okay, so that's it. Once you're satisfied, close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.